Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter subtraction 2 digits. And the lessons we're going to cover today are subtract two two-digit numbers without regrouping, subtract two two-digit numbers with regrouping, write subtraction sentences to describe pictures of the two digits, ways to make a number using subtraction. So we are already started the chapter subtraction. So what is subtraction? Subtraction means taking away a specific number from the other number, right? So we are working on the subtraction two digits. So let's just start with the lesson. The lesson here I am on the grade 2 math. The chapter is subtraction two digits. The lesson is subtract two two-digit numbers without regrouping, right? So the first example is you have to subtract 18 minus 13, right? So how do you subtract? You don't have to. You have to do 18 minus 13, right? First of all, you have to subtract the ones digit. 8 and 3 are at the ones position. So you need to do 8 minus 3. So 8 minus 3 is 5. Then you have to subtract the digit that are at the tens position. They are 1 and 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0. So that means 18 minus 13 is 5. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, so subtract, you have to do 16 minus 13. Which is the correct option? You have to subtract the digits that are at the ones position, right? So 6 minus 3 equals 6 minus 3 equals 3 and 1 minus 1 equals 0. That means 16 minus 13 equals 3. The correct option is 3. Got it? Okay, the next one is 17 minus 11. So which is the correct option? You have to subtract the digits that are at the ones position. Then you have to subtract the digits that are at the tens position. So you have to do 7 minus 1. So 7 minus 1 is the correct option is very good. That is 17. You have to subtract the digits that are at the ones position. 7 minus 1 is 6 and 1 minus 1 is 0. You can write the answer only once. Okay, the next one is 13 minus 10. So which is the correct option? So which is the correct option? The correct option is 3 minus 0 is 3 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So the correct option is 3. The next one is 13 minus 11, which is the correct option. The correct option is very good, that is 2. So 13 minus 11 is 2. The correct option is 2. Okay, subtract 17 minus 15. So which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, 17 minus 15 is very good. The correct option is 2. So 17 minus 15 is 2. Okay, the next one is 13 minus 12. So which is the correct option? 13 minus 12 equals, the correct option is 1. Very good. 18 minus 17, which is the correct option? So 18 minus 17 equal, yes, the correct option is 1. Okay, the next one is 16 minus 12, which is the correct option? 16 minus 12 equals, very good. The correct option is 16 minus 12 equals 4, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is subtract two-digit numbers with regrouping. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, so you do 50, you need to do 52 minus 48, right? So just write them one above the other. 52 minus 48, right? So just subtract the ones digit. You cannot do 2 minus 8, right? Because you cannot subtract a smaller number out of the greater one, right? So you need to borrow 1 from the tens digit. Here you have 5. When you borrow 1, you are left with 4, and when you borrow 1, that makes 10 here. So you have to do 10 minus 8. So 10 minus 8 equals, very good, that is 2, right? And 4 minus 4 is 0. So 12 minus 52 minus 48 is, that makes 12 here, and 12 minus 8 is 4. So 52 minus 48 equals 4. The correct option is 4. Okay, the next one is subtract 94 minus 27. So let's just write them down one above the other. 94 minus 27. So start subtracting from the ones digit. You have to do 4 minus 7, but you cannot subtract a smaller number out of the greater one, right? So you need to borrow one. Here you have then 8, and the one you borrowed makes it 14. So you have to do 14 minus 7. So 14 minus 7 is 7, right? Then you have to do 8 minus 2. So 8 minus 2 is, yes, it is 6. So 94 minus 27 makes 67. So the correct option is 67. Got it? 67 it is. Be careful when subtracting. Okay, the next one is subtract 98 minus 39. So which is the correct option? 98 minus 39 equals, 98 minus 39 equals, okay, let's just do 98 minus 39. So you have 8 minus 9. You cannot subtract out of 8 out of 9, right? So you need to borrow 1. Here you have 8 and the borrow makes it 18, right? So 18 minus 9 is 9, and 8 minus 3 is 5. So that would be 59. The correct option is 59. The next one is subtract 70 minus 67. So which is the correct option? So 70 minus 60. 70 minus 67 is, which option is the correct one? So 70 minus 67 is, yes, that is 3. The correct option is, very good, 67, 68, 69, 70. So that would be just 3. The next one is 84 minus 76, which is the correct option? 84 minus 76 equals, the correct option is, That would be 8. 84 minus 76 equals 8. The correct option is 8. 10? How 10? No, it is 8, not 10. The next one is 94 minus 66. Okay, let's just do it on board. I think you guys need help with subtracting 94 minus 66, right? Start with the one digit. You cannot subtract 4 out of 6, right? Because 4 is smaller than 6. You always subtract a greater number out of the smaller one, right? So you need to borrow from here. When you borrow 1, you are left with 8 here, and the borrow makes it 14. So you have to do 14 minus 6. So 14 minus 6 is 8. Now you have to do 8 minus 6, and 8 minus 6 is 2. So that means 94 minus 66 is 28. So the correct option is 28. Got it? That would be 28. Okay, the next one is 98 minus 69. Okay, so you have to do 98 minus 69. So start with the ones digit. You cannot subtract 8 out of 9, right? So you need to borrow 1. Here you have 8 and here you have 18. So 18 minus 9 is 9, right? And 8 minus 6 is, that would be 2. So 98 minus 69 is, yes, the correct option is 29. Got it? So 98 minus 69 equals 29. The next one is 33 minus 17. So which is the correct option? 33 minus 17 equals 13 minus 7 is 6. That is 16. Let's see how to 13, 33 minus. Be careful when you're doing this. Start with the ones digit. You cannot subtract 3 out of 7, right? So you need to borrow 1. Here you have 2 and here you have then 13, right? So 13 minus 7 is 6 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So that would be a 16. So the correct option is 16. Be very, very careful when you are subtracting. So the correct option is 16. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And next lesson is write subtraction sentences to describe pictures up to 2 digits. Okay, write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. There are 77 crabs. One is crossed off. So you have to write the sentence, right? You are given, you have 77 crabs, right? So out of the 77, just one is crossed off, right? So that means it would be 77 minus 1. And 77 minus 1 is, just subtract the ones digit. 7 minus 1 is, yes, that would be option number 1. 77 minus 1 is 76, right? Got it? The correct option is option number 1. 77 minus 1 equals 76. Okay, write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. Okay, let's just count. One complete line makes 10, right? So you have 10, 20, 30 onions, right? 30 and 333. And one of them is crossed. So which is the correct option? It would be 33 minus 1 equals 32, right? Because only one is crossed. So total are 33 and 33 minus 1 equals 32. The last option is the correct one. Okay, write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. So which is the correct option? Which option is the correct one? Let's just count 10, 20, 30, 40 and 141, right? And how many of them are crossed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them are crossed. So which option is the correct one? So the correct option is 41 minus 6 and you are left with 35, right? 41 minus 6 equals 35. That is the correct option. Option 2 is the correct option. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 67 balloons we have total. And how many of them are crossed? The correct option is 67 minus 8 of them are crossed, right? And you are left with 59. So that is 67 minus 8 equals 59. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? 67 minus 8 equals 59. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. So which is the correct option? The correct option is the last one. The correct option is very good. 15 minus 2 equals 13, because when you count them, they are total 15. Two of them are crossed and you are left with 13. So that is 15 minus 2 equals 13 is the correct option. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. So which is the correct option? So which option is the correct one? The correct option is 35 minus 7 equals 28. Yes, very good. That is 28. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. Which is the correct option? So the correct option is very good. That would be 33 minus 4, and 33 minus 4 is 29. The correct option is 29. The last one is the correct option. Got it? Okay, write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. The correct option is there are 69 in total, right? Then 8 of them are crossed. So it is 69 minus 8 equals 61. The correct option is 69 minus 8 is 61. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is okay, the next one is ways to make a number using subtraction. Okay, so let's just start with the test questions. Which is not a way to make 9? So you are given 4 of the options. You need to see which option is not a way to make 9. You don't have to make 9, right? So just look at the options. The first one is 15 minus 5, right? And 15 minus 5 makes 10. Then you have 11 minus 2. So 11 minus 2 is 9. Then you have 15 minus 6. And 15 minus 6 makes 9. So the only option that which is not a way to make 9 is option number 1, that is 15 minus 5. Got it? So the correct option is option number 1. Which is not a way to make 5? So which option is the correct one? Okay, start with the first one. 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 is 5. Then you have 18 minus 12. 18 minus 12 is 6. Then you have 19 minus 4. 19 minus 4 is 5. So the only way which is not to way to make 5 is 18 minus 12 equals 6. So the correct option is 18 minus 12 equals 6. Which is not a way to make 20. So which option is the correct one? 19 minus 1 equals, the correct option is 19 minus 1. That is not a way to make 20. Which is not a way to make 4. So which is the correct option? So you don't have to make 4, right? So the correct option is, yes, that is option number 14 minus 12 is the correct option. That is the option that does not make, that is not a way to make 4. How do you make 16? So which is the correct option? So the correct option is you have to make 16. The correct option is 18 minus 2 makes 16. Option number 1 is the correct option. which is not a way to make 13. So which is the correct option? So the correct option is not a way to make 13, right? That is 14 minus 2 is the correct option. That is the only option that is not a way to make 13. Got it? How do you make 3? Which is the correct option? How do you make 3? Which is the correct option? How do you make 3? 17 minus 14 is the correct option. That is the only option that makes 3, right? How do you make 10? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 18 minus 10 is the correct option. That is the no 18 19 minus 9 is the correct option. That makes 10, right? 19 minus 9 is the correct option. Okay, how do you make 12? So which is the correct option? Which option makes 12? The correct option is 18 minus 6 is the only option that makes 12, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we're working on grade 2 math. The chapter we were working on is subtraction 2 digit, and the lessons we have covered today are subtract two digit numbers without regrouping, subtract two digit numbers with regrouping, write subtraction sentences to describe pictures up to 2 digits, and ways to make a number using subtraction. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? And if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype, or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So if you have any question related to the lessons we just did, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? Okay, yes, you can ask question. Please ask question. Hello, please ask question. Okay, when you remember the question, you can ask. So that's all for today. Bye, everyone.